Okay, this company is amazing, active. Look, they give you this card. Thanks for giving a small family business a shot. So these are garbage disposals cleaning. Garbage disposal cleaner. So you're supposed to put this in there, and then turn it on for 1 minute. And you run it until your disposal is clean. It's gonna clean, deodorize, refresh. Look at that. Beautiful. What a great company this is. These things are amazing. You get 24 tablets, which is a year's supply. Let this run for 1 minute. And that is it. Oh, it even smells fresh. Amazing. Get yours down below. Let's help a small business out.